See, the straight line there is very important concept, that is slope intercept form a line. Okay, what do you mean by slope intercept form a line? That means if there is a coordinate axis, if one straight line is intercept, if one straight line is intercept in any axis, either y axis and x axis, it's a straight line intercept of line. Always we are considering that is y axis. Understood? Are you getting understood? Always we are taking the slope intercept form a line. If one straight line is intercept, if one straight line is intercept any two axes, that is called the intercept line. That line intercept the axis of y axis and x axis. If you see, this is the y axis and this is x axis. Okay, this is origin point. This is the origin point. Okay. Then, what is the question? Firstly, I will tell you one question. After then, okay, then you will find how we will do and how we will find the answer. Then you will get the concept. Okay. Yesterday I have given one question to you. That was, you write the question first. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line with slope -1 and cutting of an intercept of 4 unit on negative direction of y axis. First write this question. Complete. See, what is the question given? First to understand the question. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line with slope -1 and cutting of an intercept of 4 unit negative direction of y axis. Actually, one point will be understood. See, how to see, find the equation of the line. That means if any line will be find, we will be get the equation of that line. So that if this line equation, that line is not given in this question. Okay, first we will find the equation. Find the equation of the line with the slope -1. The line we will find a equation. That line equation, what will be cutting of an intercept of y of 4 unit in negative direction. So that you see, hardly negative direction 4 unit means, that means y axis. Y axis negative means if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 4 y axis. Understood? So that cutting of an intercept of 4 unit in negative direction of an y axis. If you see, if one straight line is cutting here, okay, maybe that line either maybe this straight line, this may be go through the line, maybe this, maybe this, maybe this. Okay, so then how will we know? How will we know this line from this point, from the intercept point, the line will be go through which direction? How will we know? For that equation, for that getting the point, we will be from the slope intercept point. Okay. So there is a concept. Okay, there is a formula. Yesterday I told you that is m is equal to what? M is equal to y minus c by x. This is the formula. By this formula, we will get which direction is the either this direction, this or this. Okay. And for this is a concept also. How will we get this formula? M is equal to y minus c by x. How will we get this formula? That also there is also one concept is there. Okay. If there is m is equal to y minus c by x, now I can write here mx is equal to y minus c. Then I can write here x is equal to, if I will take here y, always you know that the value for the equational value we are finding by the y. Always. Okay. So that now we will take here y is equal to mx plus c. Are you getting understood? You? What you are not getting understood? What? Which point? Which point? Come here, tell me which point you are not getting understood. Okay. Which point you are not getting understood? Tell me. You see, what I am telling to you, m is equal to y minus c by x. What is that? This is the slope intercept formula. Yesterday I told you, this is the slope intercept formula. By that formula, we can get the value of the equation. If you will get the equation, you know that if you will get one straight line equation, what do you mean equation? Suppose this is a y is equal to 5. This is the equation. Okay. Y is equal to 5. This is the equation. X is equal to 2. This is also equation. X plus y plus 2. This is also equation. Okay. A straight line. If you want a straight line, if you want equation, I will tell you. Okay. Yesterday one question I given you. Okay. That question is that equation was x plus y plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. That means yesterday did you find any okay that yesterday you have sketched that one graph with okay given me that copy. Okay, give a copy. That is copy. You see, I am telling you, even can you see here, this line, this straight line this straight line equation is what? This straight line equation is x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. That means this straight line, if this any point, if we put the value, here the coordinate value, if we put, that getting the value 0. Are you getting doubts? If you will go to this point also, if you will go to this point also, if this straight line, if this point also if you will go, it's the same coordinate if you will find, and if you will put this value of x and y, and that value will be 0. Then these straight lines, all coordinate points, all single coordinate points are satisfied this equation. If we will find the equation, then we will get any points. Okay? If the question is given to find the equation of the line, okay, if one point is given, if you will get the equation of that point, okay, then we can easily find the straight lines. Are you getting any doubts? So how will we find it? How will we find? See that, see. Now we know what is the, now this is not given, we will find this. Mark. What is the given? What is the C is equal to intercept point? C is equal to intercept point. Intercept point. What is the intercept point? What is the question given? 4. You write here. Negative 4 means minus 4. Understood? X is given. X is not given. X is not given. And M is given. What is the M? Minus 1. Slope given minus 1. Okay. So C M is equal to minus 1. Now we will put the value in that equation. Okay? We know that M is equal to y minus c by x, or y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to mx, m means minus 1 into x, that is c value minus 4. Okay, so that y is equal to minus x minus 4. If you will make equation, then what will be? X plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we get the equation. If you get the equation, if the question will be given, find the x intercept point, then you can able to find by the graph. If the graphical process, then you can find. If you any doubts, you come here. I am just telling you one point. You just give me one point meaning. What is the point of view? Come here. If now question is given to find out what do you mean by C? Slope intercept point. What do you mean by M? So what will be your y? X. Okay. Now you can understand properly the concept of, okay. You are getting it in order to